Lindsay Clancy, the Massachusetts mother accused of killing her 3 young children, spoke in court today for the first time, answering questions from the judge. Jurors heard from more witnesses on day 6. CBS News correspondent Shanelle Kaul has more.
Well, day 6 of this murder trial in Plymouth, Massachusetts kicked off with prosecutors bringing more medical professionals as well as first responders to testify today. We heard from someone named Lieutenant Joseph Rabbit. This is a detective from Plymouth County, and this is someone who arrived on the scene the night those 3 young children were killed to begin to gather evidence. He was asked today while he was on the stand about that long list of medications Lindsay Clancy was prescribed. Listen.
Do those appear to be the 4 bottles that were in the cabinet?
They do, yes.
Does that appear to represent all the bottles that were provided to you on February 6th?
It does.
And that's 9, correct?
Correct.
And Lindsay Clancy was prescribed some 13 medications in the months leading up to this horrible tragedy. What you're hearing there in that clip was prosecutors try to continue this narrative. I mean, they're painting a picture of a woman who they allege was doctor shopping, knew that she needed help, and they say got the help, but perhaps didn't take the medications long enough to actually see any kind of improvements. Then you have her defense team arguing that this is someone who actually they say was over-medicated and incorrectly diagnosed. They're alleging that Lindsay Clancy was suffering from something called postpartum psychosis when she killed her 3 young children. That is a condition she wasn't officially diagnosed with. This question of her mental health is going to be the central focus of this case going forward, because ultimately jurors are not having to decide here whether or not Lindsay Clancy killed her 3 young children. The question here is whether or not she should be held criminally responsible. Back to you.
Shanelle Kaul, thank you.